Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the circle drawing with the sun rising in the mountains and on the sea. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw a big circle, then we draw a straight line in the middle like this. Alright, then we connect it with a contour or the upper land here and a curved line like this. Alright. These are the straight lines. We're going to draw some trees here. This is like a half circle to draw the sun. Also two straight lines for the trees, and hills are visible up here. We can put a boat into the water. And a boatman. Let's make the boat the darker. Okay. There's a little shade coming from the boat. The shade falls on the water here, and the shade falls on the contour line too, because the lands are up here, so the drawing getting more nice. Trees are like this. These are the special trees which is grown and expand on the mountains and the hilly areas. Sometimes there are heavy snowfalls, so these kinds of trees do survive in the extreme harsh weather. That's why we are not putting any tropical trees here. So the trees are looking nice. Also two trees here, and this is a very far and long distance background. So we also see lots of other types of grass and trees alongside the mountains. We can put the shades on the other side of the mountains. And the contour is clearly visible from here. All right, let's put some shades around the sun to make the sun clearly visible. So this is the shades along the sky. Let's put some little birds flying high to the sky. All right. More details on the highlands. Here. All right. So this is the darker grasslands. You can also see the tree lines too because it's at the bottom of the mountains. Let's put an uniform shade on the water, little darker of the shade of the boat. Also, we see the reflections of the mountains here. So this is pretty much the drawing is complete. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and do the practice and practice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.